Hello friends, welcome once again to ASMNO for Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to these simple bearing problems. The first one says that the bearing of A from B is 60 degrees, that we should find the bearing of B from A. If you know bearing very well, you know that everything works from the North Pole. This is a circle. From this circle, you can form a quadrant. And you know that the sum of angles in a circle is 360 degrees. This quadrant means that the circle has been divided into 4 parts. So each part is 90 degrees and is moving in clockwise direction bearing. So since the angle you are talking about here is 60 degrees, the 60 degrees should lie between this first quadrant. Okay, because the angle here is 90 and 60 is not more than 90. So that's what I want to showcase here. So in order to solve this particular problem, if you have a quadrant like this, the bearing of A from B means you are starting from B. You write B here. Then 60 degrees is somewhere here. The angles must be attached to the North Pole. This should be 060 degrees. Then if you are tired of drawing this length, you stop. Wherever you are stopping, put your cardinal point again. Remember that this line here and this line are parallel lines, they cannot meet. And angles formed on opposite sides of this transversal line are said to be alternate angles and are equal. So here should also be 60 degrees again. So this is point A, the bearing of A from B. Now they said the bearing of B from A. Bearing of B from A means start from the North Pole, be turning until you touch this line going to B. That's the required bearing. And this is 90 degrees, the quadrant, this is 90 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. Therefore, the required bearing is 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 60 degrees, which I have 90 plus 90 is 180 plus 60 will give us 240 degrees. Now look at the second one. The bearing of C from D is 130 degrees. Find the bearing of D from C. So you have to put in 130 degrees again. You draw your cardinal point. Remember that here is 90 and 130 must be in this quadrant. Remember here is 90 and here should be 40 because we're talking about 130 degrees. So that 90 degrees plus 40 degrees will give us the 130 degrees we are talking about. So if you're tired of drawing this length, you can stop and put your cardinal point. Also, this angle and this angle are alternate angles. So here is still 40 degrees. Alternate angles are equal. Then the bearing of C from D, this is C. The bearing of C from D is the 130 you've seen here. Now they want the bearing of D from C. From C means start from the North Pole and turn until you touch this line going to D. And this is 90, this is 90, and this is 90. So the required bearing is 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 40 degrees. 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 90 is 270, and 270 plus 40 is 310 degrees. And these are the solution to these bearing problems. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you.